Welcome, Seasparkles Corner.
For their hip
David
plate.
is putting on our doorknob. David's putting on the door.
Alright.
We're at the end now.
Screwdriver. I went to go get that one screwdriver I have just for this line of work.
We got a knob. We got a knob. We got a knob, 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 knob. It's a doorknob. It's to the new door, and it's hung up. And they got a new door, and it's hung up. And
I got one screwdriver just for this job.
okay.
It's the whole reason it even stays here, well, as long as it has. There ain't been no screwdriver that's been able to do this job half as good as this one has. Alright, now this is the hard part. Gotta make sure this and this is on the same mode. Otherwise this ain't gonna work. Come on. There.
David's connecting the two of them together.
Alright. Okay. It's on the same mode.
The problem he was having with it before, when they have a cat that wants to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and she don't like to wait, and she wants to come in here because her food and her water and her litter box is in here. She needs to come in here. She needs to come in here.
Well,
and now she's got a cat tree in here and
well, also,
a lot of
when you
other
put
stuff.
doorknobs together, you got to make sure this, and this is all in the same mode.
Yeah, so that way the door doesn't lock for no reason. And if they're sleeping or something and the cat wants to go in, I just open the door quietly and let her in without disturbing them. I try not to disturb them. I'm going to hold the other side for you. This door is called the barn door, and so it's a very nice door. It's nice. It was nice and solid, so this door was quite heavy.
All right. Still.
I'll get it.
Okay.
I'll just put it on right here, and you can take care of it. Okay. Now we got this side. Now David has to line it up.
Well, that circle cut was dismal.
It's fine. Now he has to line it up for the door for the other side. So it's open her.
I'm having an idea.
What?
If that ear's going to work or not, that's another matter. Yeah, might work. Might be able to solve that problem.
Okay, we'll continue on to the final part. We're almost done. David's got some few little things to do to tight. Oh, he's back.
Okay, I need this, and then I need to go get a box.
This is their wallpaper that I bought and gave it to them for no reason other than doors like dolphins. I'm fishy, so.
Alright. These are the correct size.
I found it on Amazon and got it at the wall
panel. These are the
panel.
correct size, then I might be able to solve that problem.
There's my beautiful daughter, Doris.
Okay.
What are you doing, honey bun?
Being a smarty pants. As you see, here's the problem. Look at that gap.
Well, when you
And
do this, it'll.
and the
make a
problem
difference.
is that I put the catch plate in, it'll be like way over here, okay?
Uh-huh.
And then look
What
at it,
about a
barely
little
even
gem?
moves. So what I want to do,
What about a gem?
spacers.
Good.
If they're the correct size, you don't even need to drill anything. And they are the correct size. Just gotta make sure it's lined up right. Yep. Like I said, being a smarty pants. My thing is that okay, that's the correct length. And then that's the correct length.
You can always get a longer screw if need be.
Alright, this is the correct length too. Okay.
Shouldn't you double check with the door?
I forgot where my marking was! Let's see. Like right there. About good. Oh, that was a joke.
The pen doesn't even write.
The problem is the angle. Yeah.
Would you like me to go get my marker? I have a green marker, which you could see better. Can you see it, or should I go get the marker?
Problem is that paint's so messed up. What I need is a architect pencil.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a marker. This is a mess from when David worked on it. Try this marker. It writes.
Problem is
green.
the body of it's too big.
Oh, okay.
I can't get in there.
We'll be back with the final part.
Ah!